Hey guys, it's the Credit Dad, and today we're talking about one of the easiest, most affordable ways to build credit, the Kikoff Credit Builder. Now, I know some of you are just starting out or trying to bounce back from past mistakes. That's okay. We've all been there. And Kikoff might just be the jumpstart your credit needs. Here's how it works. Kikoff gives you a small line of credit, usually $750, but it's not for shopping like a regular card. Instead, you buy digital products from their store, like financial education tools. Every month, you make a small payment, about $5, and they report it to the major credit bureaus. That's it. No interest, no hidden fees, and no hard credit check. The real magic is in those consistent on-time payments. They build your payment history and show lenders you're responsible. And at just $5 a month, it's a super low-risk way to grow your score. So if you're new to credit or looking for a second chance, Kikoff keeps things simple and your wallet happy. That's all for now. This is the Credit Dad reminding you credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep showing up, keep building.